right, we have some breaking inputs coming in. During hearing on Yamuna pollution, the Supreme Court has taken note of positive impact of change of government in the national capital. And this is what the court said. The Supreme Court said, now with change of government, all disputes might get resolved. In fact, Justice Gavai noted, in changed circumstances, there may be better implementation possible. The Supreme Court bench led by Justice Oka said he felt that constant friction between the centre and the Delhi government and blaming each other may now end with the change in guard, but also said that does not automatically mean that they would be proactive in resolving the air pollution crisis. Let's go across to our legal editor Harish Nair joining us in the broadcast with more details. Perhaps the court meant better coordination between the centre and the Delhi government?
Yes, that's right. It is the second time within 15 days. First, it was during the air pollution, which you referred, Justice Oka. Today, Justice Gavai making it very clear that the change in government in Delhi might automatically resolve several disputes, and also it might help speedy implementation of all policies planned for cleaning the river Yamuna. The Supreme Court remarks are very important, Swati, because almost all the states through which Yamuna passes, like Uttarakhand, Haryana, Delhi and UP, now have BJP governments. This comment was made when the amicus curiae Meenakshi Arora in this case was taking the court through the background of the case in which Supreme Court had taken so much cognizance of measures to clean rivers like Ganga and Yamuna. She had said that earlier there were a lot of disputes between Haryana and Delhi, Delhi and UP, but then Justice Gavai remarking that now with the change of government, he meant the BJP government coming in Delhi, the things might improve, there won't be any more disputes, and it might also help speedy implementation. These remarks are very important, Swati, given the fact that the BJP government has already hit the ground running.
Right.
They have already begun.
In fact, they've made promises that they will complete this mission of cleaning Yamuna by 2027. Harish, the political parties, of course, are going to interpret this in their own way. But it's also important to realize that several times political parties, the governments have approached the court with this grievance that the centre is interfering or that the centre saying that the states are not complying. So these issues have reached the top court several times in the past.
Yes, that's right, Swati. This is what precisely the amicus curiae in the case Meenakshi Arora pointed out, that earlier there were a lot of disputes between the stakeholder states, and several of the court's directions and judgments, orders could not be implemented because of this friction. It was at this juncture that Justice B.R. Gavai said that now with change in government, maybe these disputes will get automatically resolved, and will also help in speedy implementation of whatever is envisaged. And as I said earlier, Swati, now the BJP government has already set itself a deadline of 2027 to clean river Yamuna, and has already deployed heavy machinery for that purpose.
Says perhaps there will be a positive impact of the change in government and issues would be resolved in time. Thank you very much, Harish, for getting us the details of that big story. We are moving on now.